Welcome back to Grip News 2M, your go-to channel for the latest news and insights on finance, investments, and personal growth. I'm Daniel, and today we have an exciting topic that will benefit our younger viewers who are eager to start their investment journey. In this video, we will explore the world of investing from the perspective of a 16-year-old. So, if you're ready to learn how to invest wisely at a young age, stay tuned. The power of compound interest. At 16, you have a unique advantage when it comes to investing: time. The power of compound interest can work wonders for young investors. By starting early, you allow your investments to grow over a longer period, multiplying your returns. We'll discuss how to leverage this power and make it work in your favor. Investment options for young investors. As a 16-year-old, your investment options may be limited due to legal constraints. However, there are still ways to get started. We'll explore different investment avenues such as opening a custodial account, investing in education funds, and even exploring micro-investing platforms. Discover which options align with your goals and are accessible for your age group. Research and due diligence. Investing is not a blind leap, it requires research and due diligence. We'll share tips on how to analyze stocks, understand market trends, and develop a well-informed investment strategy. We'll also discuss the importance of diversification and managing risk to protect your hard-earned money. Building a support network. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can enhance your investment journey. We'll explore how you can find mentorship opportunities, join investment clubs, or participate in online communities where you can learn from experienced investors and gain valuable insights. Balancing investments and education. As a 16-year-old, education should remain your top priority. We'll discuss how to strike a balance between investing and your academic commitments. Discover ways to manage your time effectively and make informed decisions about allocating your resources wisely. Conclusion. Investing at a young age can set you on the path to financial independence and long-term wealth. By understanding the power of compound interest, exploring investment options suitable for your age, conducting thorough research, building a support network, and balancing investments with education, you can make significant strides in your financial journey. That concludes today's video on how to invest as a 16-year-old. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Remember, it's never too early to start investing in your future. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the information we shared, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also benefit from this knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe to Grip News 2M for more insightful videos on finance, investments, and personal growth. We're here to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed financial decisions. Thank you for watching.